there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan and today's video is a closet purge, and I'm also going to share with you guys some tips on how to keep a realistic and functional capsule wardrobe. If you don't know what a capsule wardrobe is, it is basically a minimalist wardrobe consisting of a very select number of items that you're able to wear interchangeably. I don't really put that much pressure on myself to keep a true capsule wardrobe, so that is why I'm going to share with you some of my tips, because I feel like I'm a little looser with it, but it's something that works for me and I think will work for you. After that, I'm going to take you guys with me into my closet, show you guys how I change out my clothes for the season. It is fall here, approaching winter, and it's starting to cool off a little bit, so I need to pack away my summer dresses and break out my sweaters. I'm also going to be getting rid of some things if there's something that I haven't worn or something that doesn't fit me anymore. I'm going to be posting a lot of things on Poshmark, so if you're interested in seeing what I'm getting rid of, you can. I'll put a link below in the description box. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, my name is @MeganBellMade. I share a lot of what I'm doing in real life on my stories over there, my DIY projects and things like that. And yeah, so let's get started on some tips for a realistic and functional capsule wardrobe. My first tip is to do your laundry. Before you get started on anything, purging your closet, creating your capsule wardrobe, I highly suggest doing your laundry first. It is something that I feel like I have forgotten in the past, and it's really important just to have all of your clothes clean and readily available. My second tip is to take everything out and try it on, okay? And that sounds crazy and it can be very time consuming, but you really want to make sure that you're dressing every day for the body that you have, not the body that you used to have or the body you wish you had, but the body that you have right now today. And so trying those things on, trying everything in your closet and seeing if it fits today is the most important thing you can do. And there's a reason why in Marie Kondo's book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, the first thing she has you get rid of or go through and tidy up is your clothes. It's probably the easiest thing to sort through, but there's still a huge emotional attachment that people have when it comes to clothing, because it reminds them of a time in their life. You are not that person. You don't have that body anymore. Maybe you've had children. Maybe you've been in quarantine and you probably need to be a little easier on yourself. But what I want is to go into my closet and to put something on that sparks joy, not to see items in there that just bring me guilt because I don't fit them anymore. I hope that makes sense, and I hope that you can relate to that. You're going to see in a minute I'm going to change out all of my last season items, and I'm going to pack those away and bring out my new items. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and my last season items, if there's something I didn't wear, it goes. I didn't wear it, you know, it was warm here from May until, it's still warm, May until October, and I have had, that's plenty of time to wear the things in my closet. And if there was something I didn't wear, it's because I didn't grab it, it's because it didn't spark joy, so it needs to go. So that is another tip for you. If you didn't wear it last season, try it on if you want. If it fits and you like it still and it makes you feel good, then keep it. But if it doesn't and you haven't worn it, then get rid of it. You don't have to have a fancy closet for this. I have a nicer closet that I've upgraded, but you can do this with a regular closet with a coat rack and a dresser, but everything has a place. So like, your socks are in one place, your underwear is in one place, all of your jeans are in one place. Once you're able to really see what you have, you'll be able to find a home for it, but it's really important that everything has a home. One thing that helps me out and helps me to stay organized is to have matching clothes hangers. I got all of mine from IKEA. They were very inexpensive. I'll also link some other options down below in the description box. I highly suggest getting nicer clothes hangers. It will give you more pride in your clothing, and it will also just make you feel really good when you get dressed in the morning to see that sort of streamlined look like you're in a clothing store. It just feels really good. And then my last tip is that if you wouldn't buy it today, then get rid of it. I love that. Someone said it. I saw it somewhere recently and it just really rang true for me. It really hit me. I oftentimes keep things because they fit, it looks okay, and then I don't grab for it. And then, you know, the next season rolls by and the same kind of thing happens and I don't get rid of it. These things just stay in my closet. But if you really think about, kind of envision yourself being in a store and seeing that item on the rack, would you buy it? Would you pay money for it? And if no is the answer, then you should get rid of it. So now I'm going to take you guys with me into my closet, show you guys how I'm changing out my clothes for the season, and I'm going to stick to all of those concepts that I just mentioned. Okay, so this is my closet and it is in dire need of some help. I do share it with my husband, so I'm not gonna go through his things obviously, but you can see, you know, a lot of this stuff is mine. This is all mine here. All of this. I did start pulling down my winter clothing, so that's what's kind of like thrown up here. But I do have a lot of storage, but I still have way too many clothes, so that's a problem. And this is actually an IKEA closet. I did a video on this. If you're curious about how I did it, I'll link it below for you. Or actually, I'll just put a little card up here so you can just click that and watch it. But basically, this was one of those really standard builder's grade closets where it had the, you know, wire rack clothes hangers that just went around the perimeter of the closet, and it was just absolutely non-functional. I felt like, you know, for something that is as big as this room is, I mean, this is probably like, I don't know, maybe 60 square feet in here, and there was just nowhere to store clothing. That's just unacceptable. So I did invest and build this closet system in here from IKEA. And so like I mentioned before, I'm going to take everything out of my closet and going to try everything on. And if it doesn't fit the body that I'm in today, it goes. Okay, so I've gone through everything from last season, and this is everything I'm packing up. I have some summertime kimonos I like to wear, a few tops, a skirt, my rompers. If you know me, you know I live in my rompers in the summertime, a couple of dresses, and then some swimsuits and swimsuit cover-ups. So that is all I'm packing away that I have out right now, which is not very much. And then back here are some things I'm listing on Poshmark. Those are all the things that I've already listed, and then I have some things that are folded here that I still need to list. I have a thrift store pile that is things that I don't want to necessarily sell, like some of my husband's shirts that I was wearing to bed, and like bathing suits, things like that. Okay, so as you can see, it's looking much better in here. I'm probably gonna have to find a place to store all my extra hangers because I got rid of so many clothes. Like one skirt, a couple of tank tops and t-shirts, and then some long sleeves, chambray shirt, plaid shirt, things like that, a couple of sweaters that I'm able to hang, and a sweatshirt. And then over here I have all of my sweaters that I can't hang. They're knitted, so they'll get like little marks from the hangers in them, so I fold them and I keep them here on this shelf. These are all of the pants that I'm keeping. It's really not a lot. I have like one pair of white, 2 light wash, and a medium. Then I have my Spanx faux leather leggings that I love, a pair of plaid pants, and then a couple more pairs of pants and some dark wash jeans. These are all jeans that fit, that I love, and that I know I'm going to wear. Some dresses, like some fall dresses, a couple of special occasion things just in case. Actually, that needs to go into the summer stuff, summer and spring stuff. Nope. So a couple of just like if I go out or go somewhere nicer that I have to wear. This is like a jumper, like a pant jumper sort of situation. A couple of cardigans and a jean jacket. And then I have a like leather like moto jacket, and then these are my winter coats. I have like a big puffer from Lululemon, and then this is just a just like a wool jacket, like a long sort of coat. And then I have one special occasion dress because I'm in a wedding later this year, and I have my wedding dress, which I need to get cleaned and sell. So it's really not a lot, especially compared to what was in here. You can see up top I have some shoes, which are not very many either, just a few high heel special occasion shoes, and then 2 pairs of boots, which I wear a ton in the winter. I've had these for years. And then here in these drawers I have jewelry up top. This one is like underwear and bras and things like that, so I'm not going to show you guys that, but This is all of my active wear. So I work out a lot. I have sports bras and tank tops and leggings, and I go through this pretty often, so I didn't feel the need to purge that today. Some extra pajamas and sweatpants, some moto leggings and t-shirts. I don't have a lot of t-shirts that are like loungewear t-shirts, but some of these are. And then a couple of them are just like if I'm doing some DIY projects or things like that I don't care about, I have those in there. In the bottom shelf, some summertime sandals and tennis shoes. Nothing crazy. A bag, an extra bag, like if I actually don't carry a diaper bag. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I have motivated and inspired you guys to purge your closets, to create a capsule-like wardrobe so that you can go into your closet every morning and put on items that spark joy. And I will see you guys next time.